Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study of 99. I hope you are all fine, and today we are going to discuss about the physical appearance. So let's start. Today I'm going to discuss some of the physical appearance of the people we daily met with. You can also use some good words for them. For example, a girl looking so pretty, you can use the word beautiful and pretty, and the person who is very handsome, you can also say elegant. Whereas some people always dress up in a very joker or a monk manner, in that case you can use the term funny. And those who always have a cute face and a cute hairstyle with a cute dress, you can use the term cute. Whereas when you go on any event, you find someone looking very awesome in a particular dress, you can call it as gorgeous. But at the same time, we are with so many people who don't give importance to dress well. In that case, they doesn't look sophisticated for that event and sounds very ugly. Moreover, there are certain people who found attractive at that moment. Now on the basis of build up, आप लोगों को एक्नॉलेज करके उसको उनका नेम दे सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दोज हु आर वेरी लीन एंड वेरी स्लिम, यू कैन कॉल देम स्किनी. ऐसे लोग जो बहुत पतले होते हैं. मोरोवर गर्ल्स जो हैं वो थिन होती हैं, तो आप उनके लिए स्लिम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वेयर एज देर आर सम बॉयज़ जो कि बहुत ही बॉडी बिल्डर्स होते हैं, दे हैव अ स्ट्रांगली बिल्ड अप बॉडी, यू कैन से मस्कुलर. And those who are very stocky, it means they are very muscular. In that case, their body is very gigantic. In that case, you can say them as stocky. But some people who are very obese and overweight and they are very fat, you can call them as chubby, fat, or obese or overweight. Moreover, you can also use chubby for those people who are neither too slim nor too fatty, right? General appearance of the people are, they can be pretty, cute, handsome, attractive, funny, elegant, beautiful, gorgeous, and ugly too. On the basis of hair, there can be so many types of hair. आप देखते हैं आपके आसपास लोगों के, कईयों के कर्ली हेयर्स होते हैं, कईयों के हेयर्स थोड़े से मुड़े हुए होते हैं जिन्हें हम बेबी हेयर्स कह सकते हैं, कईयों के डार्क हेयर होते हैं, कईयों के लाइट हेयर्स होते हैं, कईयों के रेड हेयर होते हैं. दोज हु आर हैविंग लॉन्ग हेयर, यू कैन कॉल देम एज लॉन्ग हेयर्ड. सम हैव शॉर्ट हेयर. whereas some people try to have a pigtail, जैसे कि बच्चों की आप देखते हैं छोटी छोटी पोनीज होती हैं, they are called as pigtails. whereas those who are in a good age, middle age, they can also make pony, you can call them as ponytailed lady or ponytailed girl. Mostly there are young girls who made ponies, so you can say that his hairstyle is ponytail, and yeah, she used to do always a ponytail. मोरोवर देयर सम पीपल हु आर, जिन्हें हम कहते हैं जिनके बाल नहीं होते सिर पे, देयर कॉल्ड एज बॉल्ड. जिनके बड़े माउथ होते हैं, देयर कॉल्ड एज बिग माउथ. And likewise, you can also use certain terminologies for the children, like they are baby, they are toddlers, they are child, teenager, young, middle age, or elderly people. On the basis of height, you can call them tall, short को dwarf भी बोलते हैं, and medium height. Whereas those having very slim body, plump body, fat body, or well built, you can call them as. On the basis of hair length, you can call them dark, fair, shoulder length, straight, wavy, curly, bald, red hair, blonde hair. Blonde hair is usually a mixture of red and brown, so you can say that it's a blonde. Or golden hair can sometimes be called as blonde. On the basis of face, you can also differentiate them, like they are having round face, oval face, triangular, square, or having freckles on the face. There are certain marks on the face जिन्हें हम पिम्पल्स के मार्क्स कह सकते हैं. दाढ़ी मूँछों को बियर्ड कहते हैं, मूँछों को मुस्टीच कहते हैं, और दोज हैविंग लॉन्ग. सिमिलरली फॉर द eyes can be brown, blue, green, big, small, and the golden eyes are called as hazel eyes. So this was the list of the top 20. You have to remember that those who are very small, they are called as baby, whereas those who are able or capable of walking, these type of children can be in category of toddlers. And most important thing about is those ladies who are little bit fatty, neither too thin nor too thick, they are called as plumpy. Or freckles, this is a situation when the person develops certain flaws on the face, or they are red color face, you can say them freckles. Now there are certain situations of the face we came around whenever we see a people, and we are not able to differentiate what type of situation is it. So on the basis of these images we can easily categorize it. Firstly, there is a situation which is normally present in old age people, which is called as wrinkles. Then there is freckles को हम निशान कह सकते हैं किसी तरीके से. Then there are dimples which adds or beautify the face. देर इज़ मोनोब्रो मीन्स जिनके आईब्रोज बिल्कुल मिले हुए होते हैं आपस में, दे आर कॉल्ड एज मोनोब्रो. some people have six packs after the strong workout and a strongly built body. Then there are moles on the body जिसे हम मस्से कहते हैं हिंदी में. So some people have very fatty skin, that is called as flabby skin. Those having grizzled hair, it means somewhat a mixture of grey and a look of, you can say, macho man. They can be grizzled hair. Then there is a dyed hair, which is a colorful hair. All of them, there is a color in the hair. At that case you can say dyed hair. Then there are knock knees. It means the knees are slightly bent inwards. Then there are bow legs means slightly, you can say, broad at the upper end and lower at the lower end. Then there are faces. We have already discussed round, oval, etc. And hair types: long, short, shoulder length, straight, wavy, curly, dark, fair, brown, blonde, which is normally golden brown hairs. Then there can be red hairs, and without hair the people are called as wavy. So friends, ये हमने डिस्कस किया इसलिए because these all are the categories which are found in and around our home, in our atmosphere, and usually we interact with them. In that case we use Hindi language in order to express our views about certain persons. जैसे उसके बाल तो घुंघराले हैं, उसके बाल तो locks हैं. So you can say these typical you can say very customized words for them, because they are very different, and you can use in order to have a good impact